It's Ken again here, with a deep dive into commands for creating and removing files and folders. Today we are going to explore the following commands. mkdir, make directory. rmdir, remove directory. rm, remove. Shred. mkdir creates a directory with the specified name. The flag for mkdir that I find most useful is -p to make parent directories if needed. rmdir removes specified empty directory. The flag for rmdir that I find most useful is -p removes parent directories specified in the path providing they are empty. rm removes files or directories. The flags for rm that I find most useful are -f, force, -i, interactive, prompt before every removal, -r, recursive, -d, remove empty directories. Shred. Overwrite a file to hide its contents and optionally delete it. The flags for shred that I find most useful are -f, force, -n, overwrite the specified number of times instead of the default, which is 3. -u, deallocate and remove file after overwriting. At the Linux command line, we can see that I am currently at my home directory. When I list the contents of the directory, I can see 2 folders, My Files and My Files 2. I would like to create another folder named My Files 3, so I enter the command mkdir My Files 3 and hit enter. Now when I type ls, I can see that all of the folders are there. I would like to create a folder structure that is named after the inner solar system. So I type mkdir space Sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. But I get an error. mkdir cannot create the directory Sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, no such file or directory. Then I realized that I have to create all of the folders in order to create Mars. So I will run the command again, but this time with the -p flag to enable it to create the parent directories if needed. I would like to put something on Earth. Let's go for love. So I will type the command touch Sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth, and love. Now if I type the command ls-R to list recursively, I can see that within Earth there is love, a file, and Mars, the directory. On second thought, I've decided this is a little silly and a lot contrived, so I want to get rid of it all. So I'll issue the command rmdir sun and hit enter. But it said it failed to remove sun because the directory is not empty. So I'll try to issue the command again. rmdir -p Sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars to try to remove all of the directories. Uh-oh. It appears that I've run into another error. It says that it couldn't remove Sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth because the directory is not empty. Looks like love got in the way. Looks like I'm going to have to use a bigger hammer. So I'm going to issue the command rm-rf to remove recursively and force so that I don't get prompted. Sun. Now when I type ls, I can see that my inner solar system scheme has been completely wiped away. It's really important that I destroy the evidence and make sure that no one ever finds out. So I'm going to shred my files, my silly inner solar system scheme. But I really want to make sure that no one ever finds the evidence. So I'm going to add some flags to shred. So I'm going to add F for force, U to deallocate and remove the file after overwriting, and N to overwrite, let's say 5 times, just to make sure. Now, to be completely sure that all of the evidence is gone, I'm going to run the ls space -R. And it appears that all of the evidence is gone, and no one will ever know. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please consider liking and subscribing. And I hope that you will join me for other installments.